Thank you, sir. So currently, what the national government through the NDRIMC been doing is to widely disseminate this risk. Very important po kasi that we understand the risk first because sabi nga nung ating mga scientists that it happened in 1658. We don't have any institutional memory that it happened in the past. So what we're trying to do at the community level is to tell them the story that it happened in the past. And it might happen in the future or in our lifespan again. And as our message is always being delivered, it is not a matter of it will happen or when it will happen, but if it happens, are we prepared? So, together with the local government unit, we're delivering that message. But on the strategic aspect, with the aspect of the government offices, there's this Executive Order 52 signed by the President that there's an organized already that a national resilience team that is taking a look at the earthquake resiliency of NCR pa lang. But what we're doing right now with the NDRIMC is that there's other big one in other parts of the country. It's not just NCR because of our geographic location. So we're delivering the message across na lahat po tayo ay gumawa na ngayon pa lang. So one of the aspects is the planning, the capacity building, but more importantly, I'd like to underscore that it's very important to understand the risk because the time that we understand the risk, there's an anticipated and required action from us, from our end po, to have this capability para tugmaan po yung risk na yun.
Thank you.